Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super trendy, practical, and honestly, a game changer for modern homes: open concept kitchen living rooms. If you've ever dreamed of having a space that feels expensive, bright, and perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests, this is it. Let's talk about why this concept is taking over 2024 and how you can create one that's both functional and stylish. So, first things first, what exactly is an open concept kitchen living room? Well, instead of dividing your kitchen and living room with walls or doors, you combine them into one big flowing space. It's all about breaking barriers, literally, and creating a home that feels connected. You've probably seen it in your favorite TV shows or Pinterest boards. It's modern, it's luxurious, and trust me, it's worth the hype. But why should you consider it for your home? Let's break it down. Number 1, shared experiences. Imagine cooking dinner while chatting with your family, or keeping an eye on the kids playing in the living room. It's the ultimate multitasking dream. Number 2, space maximization. An open concept makes even smaller homes feel larger and more breathable. Plus, it lets in so much natural light. Okay, let's talk design tips. Because having an open concept space isn't just about knocking down walls, it's about creating harmony. Here are my top 3 tips. 1. Use rugs or furniture placement to create zones. Your kitchen and living room should feel connected but still have their own vibe. 2. Go for complementary colors and materials. Think marble countertops in the kitchen paired with a similar hue for your coffee table or dining chairs. And 3. Don't skip on lighting. Layered lighting is your best friend. Pendant lights over the kitchen island, ambient lighting in the living room, and maybe even a statement chandelier. Oh, and natural light? The more the better. Now, for those of you thinking, how do I make it practical and pretty? Listen up. Small details make a huge difference. Add a mini accent wall, maybe with some bold paint or fun wallpaper. Use open shelves to display your favorite decor pieces or kitchen essentials. And for the love of design, don't forget about plants. They breathe life into the space and keep the air fresh, literally. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Tools like Foyr Neo make it so easy to visualize your dream space. You can experiment with layouts, play around with furniture placement, and even see how different colors and textures will look, all in 3D. Plus, it's super user-friendly. You don't have to be a designer to create something stunning. So there you have it, a crash course on creating the perfect open concept kitchen living room. It's modern, it's versatile, and with the right design elements, it's absolutely timeless. If you're ready to start planning your space, why not give Foyr Neo a try? It's like having your own virtual design studio. You can even try it free for 14 days. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Happy designing!